Thank God. I've been waiting for a game to play
This
now.
one's so small. The runt is so small. It's like the size of my hand. Okay, little one.
Y'all are just the cutest babies ever. I love y'all.
Don't love you. I'm just kidding.
You're such a this little one, dude. He's so cute.
The brown one's moving. It's like I will escape. I will escape.
Are you trying to fall?
He's a cutie
Oh, I bet
boy.
you get a lot of attention.
You look like a
don't
bear.
you?
He's probably trying to fall off the couch because he can't see.
I think this one's the bear.
They can't see. Their eyes are open.
This one can see.
Oh.
Its eyes are open.
No.
This one's eyes aren't open.
Oh, I bet you get so much attention. Oh.
It's hungry, man. Look, it's hungry.
Go get Buttercup. Buttercup!
Sucking on my finger.
I bet she's looking for her baby.
It's eating my finger. Help!
Buttercup!
It's eating my finger.
Okay, baby. Junior,
No.
don't make her fall off.
my finger was stuck in his mouth.
So cute.
My finger was stuck in his mouth.
I bet she's just
Where is it?
stop. Oh.
My finger was stuck in his mouth. It
Buttercup!
like gripped onto my finger. It literally gripped
Buttercup.
onto my finger.
You're hungry, aren't you? I bet if I put my nose right there, I'll suck on my nose. Honestly.
My finger.
You're hungry, aren't you?
It gripped onto my finger with his mouth.
Junior, go find Buttercup.
Buttercup.
Go check in John's room and see if she's in the cage.
I thought she is.
I feel like she is. She's like, where's my babies?
This one's eating my finger too. Help! They want to eat me. This one's just a little meanie. He's just biting me. She's just biting me. She's not even like sucking on my finger. She's just biting me.
I know, I bet you they're getting teeth already. Or they're gonna start getting teeth.
This one's just biting me. Oh look, that's so cute. She's looking after her little brother. Literally her little brother. I'm gonna find Buttercup. 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 Can't say anything. Oh, Buttercup. Ray, you're right. She was in the cage. Come here, Buttercup. Come here, Buttercup. Got the cage.